Heart attacks or myocardial infarctions have been one of the leading causes of death in the US for many years. There is no doubt that one of the best ways to prevent a heart attack is to spot the onset of symptoms, sometimes a month or so in advance. Learn the warning signs of a heart attack today and survive tomorrow. The sooner you recognize a heart attack and get treatment, the better. However, you need to be on the lookout for the following signs, which are a warning that you could have a heart attack. Here are a short list of the 6 most common symptoms you should look out for. Number 1. Chest pressure. One of the most common warning signs of a future heart attack is strong chest pressure or tightness. Chest pain can also be felt in other parts of the body, sometimes radiating pain into the arm, often the left armpit or arm, but you can also feel the pressure in your throat, neck, jaw, back, or stomach. The pain usually lasts at least 15 minutes. Number 2. Fatigue. We are all tired at times, which is perfectly normal. But if you're so tired that basic activities like grocery shopping suddenly feel like pure torture, then it may be time to investigate. In addition, if you find yourself getting breathless rather quickly or suddenly, you should see a doctor right away in order for them to check your EKG. If you find yourself in a stressless situation and your heart is not doing well, you may suffer a heart attack. Number 3. Respiratory distress. Before a heart attack, individuals may experience severe shortness of breath. This is most often due to the fact that the lungs are no longer receiving enough blood because your arteries are blocked. If you suddenly have trouble breathing, you should immediately consult a doctor. Number 4. Exhaustion. If you often feel weak and exhausted, it may be because your muscles are no longer receiving enough blood. Fatigue syndrome tends to be one of the first warning signs of an impending heart attack. Number 5. Cold or flu. Are you tormented by a bad cough, cold and fever? Don't panic right away. These are of course not immediately dangerous symptoms. However, what many are not aware of is that cold symptoms may appear 1 month before a heart attack. This is thus something worth thinking about, especially if you have also experienced any other of the above symptoms. Number 6. Dizziness and cold sweats. Excessive sweating can be a first sign of a heart attack. If you experience these symptoms, you should go see your doctor. The dizziness may be caused by a reduced blood supply to the brain. It's important to remember that the symptoms of heart attacks can be very different from one individual to another, and also particularly vary between men and women.